and welcome. If you saw last week's video, you'll know that we did an awesome hike around the top of the Cheddar Gorge, and the video for that is linked below if you want to check that out. And this week's video is going to pick up where that left off as we head down the steps at the end and carry on with our Cheddar adventure, so stay tuned for the next episode in our 2021 travels. And the first thing we chose to do was head to the Cheddar Gorge Cheese Company to check out their cheeses.
Local cheddar cheese.
This is our very own cheddar cheese. So
what you make here?
We do, yeah. Oh, that's
back. Yeah. Oh, they have chili jam. Have him? You can also warm them up. Oh, can you? Yeah.
There was loads of choices, loads to taste, and we couldn't resist buying some at the end, so we bought ourselves a nice selection. Our next stop was the Cider Shop, where I bought a couple of beers, and we are truly overindulging today. And the river here is beautiful just to spend some time looking at in between, seeing some more shops. The road, of course, is very popular with bikers, but it was time to do a little bit more browsing around these gift shops. There's plenty here if you wanted to spend a few hours just nosing around in all the little quirky gift shops that they have. Don't know, darling. Not sure what they're doing. So we've just seen that little waterfall, and we're now taking another short walk along this footpath, probably back to meet Mummy at the other end. Yeah, look, there's a crazy golf down there. So yeah, we've done a 6.5k walk, so there was only one thing left to do, and that was another little trail, so here we are. It was. Stairs or slope, Max? So we were all pretty tired after our 6.5k hike that we did that was in the last week's video, so we just had a quick browse around the shops before we headed back to the campsite for tea and a well-earned sleep. We've left Cheddar Gorge and we've arrived at our campsite, which is called Buckle Grove, and it isn't very busy at all. Let me see if I can... That's there. There's no hardly anyone on the grass pictures through the front there. We have a neighbour this side, and there's static caravans, the odd person in.
The pictures are really small.
But yeah, these pictures are quite
Tiny.
Quite small compared to the camping and caravan, camping and motorhome, caravan and motorhome club ones. But there's nowhere open. The restaurant here is closed because it's not a school holiday or a weekend, even though it's Sunday night. But you can see
why.
Why? Because there's no one here. And
they're all in Cheddar.
They're all in the caravan and motorhome club site down the road because that is full up. But that's okay. We've had our fish and chip tea that we got from Cheddar, and we're just gonna chill out, play a game, walk around, read a book, and go to bed because we've got another busy day tomorrow and the drive home. So I'm sure I'll speak to you again tonight, but that's the latest update.
Bye.
Bye. Everybody, welcome to the 7th of June. I don't know why I'm looking at my watch. I should know the date because it's my birthday. And I'm just going to show you all my amazing present that I've got from Suzanne and Max.
Yeah, it's me.
There's Max.
I'm playing Monster.
It is a screen, a selfie screen for the GoPro. So, where is my GoPro? Seamless video in here. So basically there's another case that goes around this and it pops on top and a screen pops up and it'll be better for doing that kind of thing. So yep, that's that. It is the 7th of June, like I said. We are just waking up at Buckle Grove Holiday Park and we have two things planned today. I think we're going to go to Wookie Caves or Wookie Hole, I think it might be called.
Yeah.
Maybe. We're going to see if we can get in there and we're going to go and see the Cheddar Reservoir before heading home. So breakfast time first.
Yeah.
Let's crack on with our day.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we are leaving Buckle Grove. We are not going to Wookie Caves like we said
We were going to.
a minute ago. But as I then might have said since then on a different video, confusing. We are going to Cheddar.
Reason why we're not going to.
Yes, to tell you the reason why.
Why we're not going to.
There's a lot to do there. It is nearly £50 for the whole family, and we've probably only got 3 hours to spare. So we thought if we're going to do it, we're going to do it properly for £50. We're going to do it properly next time we come, or there's a couple of other things we want to see around here as well. So we are going to Cheddar Reservoir, which is just a park up and see, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, but where are we going first?
We're going to Cheddar Reservoir.
Cheddar Reservoir.
Yeah, but where's my camera?
Charging, darling. We're going to Cheddar Reservoir. We're not going there 3 times, we're only going there once. But we're going there now. And then we're going back into Cheddar Village to play crazy golf probably.
Yeah.
Have lunch before we drive through the gorge. And drive home again. So still a few things to do today. Let's go. So welcome to Cheddar Reservoir. Let's go and have a look around and see what we got. So the whole walk around we think is about 3.5k. So it'll take us the best part of an hour, which we don't really have the time to do. So we're going to go up to this little bridge thing up here, see what that's all about. I'm not walking funny, it's because I'm walking one leg's on a higher step than the other.
He's walking funny now, he's a year older.
Yeah, it's amazing what being 48 does to you. So yeah, 3.5k all the way around. There's Maxie.
Hello! Peahead!
There's Mummy. And here's me, and we're going to go another couple of 100 yards up here, I think, before we turn back round
You're
again.
avoiding duck poo. He's walking funny because there's loads of duck poo on the steps. So if you come and walk, you've got to step over.
Got to step over the duck poo. It's pleasant here, isn't it?
Huh?
It's peaceful, apart from that.
We walk all the way round.
Yeah, we could, but we'd have to do it fast like we do at home. Anyway, we will carry on and show you some more sights and sounds. Nothing that over there is the gap in the cliffs where the road goes, so we were walking somewhere over there yesterday. And we did have pretty good views of the reservoir. And I don't know if you can see everyone, a nice family walk. Where are you, Max? He's not holding hands anymore. Yeah, he's holding hands. He loves it really. Oh, let's come this way. So that's all we're spending here, half an hour or so, just wandering up and down. Pretty place. And now we're going to jump back in the car and go to
Let's go.
Crazy Golf. So we've arrived back in Cheddar. We parked in the same car park again. There's car parks further down the street that we just packed. Loads of space in this one. This is Cliff Street car park. And you get to walk through the high street anyway, which you're probably going to do wherever you park, so. And our time here in Cheddar has sadly come to an end. Here we are heading home. We're going to take one last drive through the gorge, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching these videos. Please, if you like what you've seen, give me a thumbs up on here. It really does help the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye bye. So that last bit with all the cars there was where we crossed the road yesterday and went up the other side of the gorge on our walk, and we are leaving Cheddar behind us.
Yeah.
Heading home after another couple of nights away, and it was good fun, wasn't it?
Very
we liked
good.
Cheddar.
Nice,
The village was
yeah,
nice,
very
the
pretty.
campsites were good,
Yeah.
the scenery was good,
Yeah.
and that's it. So
Yeah. Off
off
home.
home until next time.
I'll
Enjoy.
definitely come back.
Yes, there are a few more things we want to see.
Do the caves when they're
The
open.
caves. There's a couple of caves here, isn't there?
Do the walk again.
Yeah, maybe a different walk. There's other walks.
Yeah.
Certainly find a different walk, but maybe just some sites. That was it. So let's enjoy the ride home.